guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm in the kitchen. I'm here whole day. So before I start, before I show you what I'm doing here, so I would like to say hi everyone, and I hope you're all doing well. And again, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it. To all our friends who put comment on my videos, every videos, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate that. So right here, do you see this one? I have pineapple, right one. And then this is the one I will make juice. And this one, the carrot. These 2 pieces of carrot. So, but before I start, I will show you what's in here. Orange juice. So that's this one, Shannon's pork. It's almost done. So I marinate this one. It's like adobo. Oh no, like adobo. It's adobo. And that one is the rice. And this one is nice and so that's guys, potato, nice. So we will be right back. So guys, I'm back. Excuse me. So right here, this is the carrots, and right now I will slice the pineapple. So right here, this is my cute blender. I like that. I have juicer, but I did not use that. I will use it next time when I make a lot of juice. So I will slice the pineapple. So it's a while, so I will do right there. So I'm back guys. So right now I'm slicing the pineapple. Hi to my sister Emma, Bronhe. So right now we'll start put the carrot and the blender carrots. So I washed my hand yesterday, you know. So this is very healthy guys, and I really like it. I will do the first carrot. Next is the pineapple. So if you have a giant big blender, so you can put it together, no problem. But mine is, I have a mini little. I put water like that, little bit. So I have it right there, and like this, cute money. So you can do that in your juicer. So but this is the way I do my own juice. And the goodness of God. Oh my love, you are so faithful. sa meaning sa palta. Pop. So I'm back. So it's time for the pineapple now. It's too much, overflow. Every bread there is the carrot juice. And I put a little bit water. Shannon's afraid of butterfly moth. So right here. Quiet mga doge. Sorry about the dog, guys. See? So right here, oh. But later I use the cloth to squeeze all the juice. Nice. Every breath I am made. Little bit water. Wa na siya nun, uy. So I'm back, guys, and this is the juice, carrot and pineapple. It's very yummy. Asa naman Shannon? Ay, Shannon's scared of the moth. It's gone. Shannon, wa na, uy. So let's try. Very yummy. I can drink this whole thing, so I will drink this tomorrow. Half. Sarap, pure na pure. Ay. So guys, I think that's it for today. Excuse me. So it's 9 minutes, my goodness. So I would like to say thank you so much over and over again for always watching my videos, and thanks to all your comments, guys. I really appreciate it, and stay safe and stay healthy and pray a lot and enjoy life, and God bless everyone and stay safe always. God bless.